Okay, for number one, here's how I'll do it. I'd like you to try it on your own, but you can check with this if you need help or when you're finished. So I'm going to find the average value of this function using my formula. It's 1 over b minus a, so my interval is 2 to 0. Then I set up my integral. All right, and then I need to antiderive by hand. So add 1, counter, and then put the bar at the end. All right, now I'll plug in my top minus bottom. Two cubed is 8. Minus, and then I do the same, but plug in 0, and notice that if we plug in 0, it's all 0 here. So I'm not even going to write that. And I guess I'll distribute this 1/2. All right, and then I'll just have to simplify this fraction by finding a common denominator of 6. So I'll multiply this by 3. And that gives me -4 over 6, which is -2/3. So that's my average value. That's always a y value. The average value is a y value of 2/3. And in the question, it then says, then find all the points on the interval at which the function equals its average value. So the function needs to equal its average value. So the function is x squared minus 2, equaling the y value that I just solved for. So we are going to be finding the x coordinates that have the average value, that hit the average value. So I'll add 2 to the other side. And I'll need to find a common denominator of 3, so that's 6/3. I'll combine those. And then I can take the square root of that, which gives, don't forget, a plus or minus value here. And then it does say which points on the interval. So this looks like the answer, but since I'm only going between 0 and 2, there's no negatives involved. Therefore, the answer is just 4 over 3 square root. I'm boxing that, but you shouldn't box it.